Hey, I'm dog. I'm whoop dog, guy. I'm finna do a trick. I'm finna do a trick. I'm finna. Wolf dog. Wolf dog. Oh no, I think you got kidnapped. Let's try to keep on myself. We're not doing it today. What guys? Wolf dog got kidnapped. No, what dog I got kidnapped? I never thought my guy got kidnapped. No, we didn't. Yeah, no, we didn't. Yes, he did. You guys don't believe me? He did get kidnapped. But watch the news. Watch the news. Come on, watch the news. Watch the news because he got kidnapped. Getting that breaking news. Mr. Joy got kidnapped. Big dog got kidnapped. Big dog got kidnapped. Mr. Dog got kidnapped? Yeah, he got kidnapped, Mr. Hippo. That's what I've been telling you guys. What gave Mr. Joy if he got kidnapped? It gave him. Come on. Dun, 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 dun. Who put you in that cage? Who did it? Who did it to you? Yeah, who did it? Me. Evil girl. I knew it was you. Yeah, because you can't stop me. Sure. 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 Ah! We can take her. Ah! Ah! Thanks for saving me. Thanks for giving me Chucky. You're welcome. And me too. And me too. Thanks for giving me Goy. You're welcome. No, you got kidnapped. Your title is real call. Okay. You guys want to watch movies and comedy movies? Yes. You're watching comedy movies. Yes. Baby, don't stop the world. Baby, don't stop the world. But, yeah, we watching comedy movie. Woo!